How to make slider in Wix 2025. In this video, we're going to be talking about a slider and how you're going to make one in Wix. So, to create a slider, basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to your Wix editor. Now, once you're in your editor, there's quite a few ways to make a slider. You can create one through animations. You can create one through these different workings that you have in front of you, or you can even search for one if you want an application for it. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and search in slider, right? Now, here is a slider product. So to do this, first of all, you are going to want to make sure that you have a content manager app up and running. So to do that, we're going to go over to the content manager and get ourselves affiliated and started off with it. And it's pretty fun to do so because the content manager not only allows you to create sliders, but it also allows you to manage different products for your e-commerce page and tons and tons of different individual things that you can actually work with. So what we're going to be doing is you're going to go over to add apps, and once we come over to add apps over here, you can either go ahead and get a slider application for yourself. So you have slideshow galleries, you have text sliders, etc. So let's say I want to get a slider for my images and videos. I can come over to this and add this to site, which is basically an application. Now you can do this, or you can add your very own slider through the content management page. I would suggest that to be the better option, but if you're looking for a quick fix for your slider issue, what you can do is, let's say we're going to add our slider over here. Okay. And now that our slider is in, what you can do is you can actually choose the different pictures you want in it by going into the multi-slider settings. And as you can see, it's a slide that goes on and on, which is pretty cool. And Wix makes it so easy for you to create these slider animations. And you can, as you can see, you can change your templates, you can work along with the different things you have in it, and you can add elements like the banners and contents and so on. And if I go over to preview, just to give you an idea on how this looks, look at that. We have the slider right here changing the images. So that is how you're going to be making a slider in Wix. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.